In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mount Google Drive to Google Colab. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First up, you need to open Google Colab. So grab your favorite web browser and open a new tab. Type in Google Colab and head to the home page. Once you're there, you can either start a new notebook or open an existing one where you want to work with your files. Now that you're in your Colab notebook, let's head to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice an icon that looks like a folder. Go ahead and click on that folder icon. This will pull up the file browser panel for your current session, which is super useful for managing your files. Next, in the file browser panel that appears, keep an eye out for the Google Drive icon. It typically resembles a folder combined with the Google Drive logo. Once you see it, give it a click. After you click the Google Drive icon, a prompt will pop up on your screen offering you an option to connect to Google Drive. Now this is the step where we get into the nitty-gritty, so go ahead and click on that option. At this point, Google Colab will ask you for permission to access your Google Drive files, which is essential for this to work. Don't worry, you'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions to sign in to your Google account. Once you've logged in, you'll authorize the connection between Google Colab and your Google Drive. After you've followed those prompts and authorized access, it's time to verify that everything is working correctly. Look back at your file browser on the left panel. You should now see a new folder named Drive. This means that you're all set up. You can now access, read, and write files directly from your Google Drive within your Colab notebook. This connection opens up so many possibilities for your projects. Need to analyze a dataset stored in your drive? No problem. Just navigate there and start working. Want to save the results of your models or analyses back to your drive? Just fall back on the simple file operations to get it done. Keep in mind that whenever you open this notebook in the future, you'll have to repeat the process of connecting and authorizing Google Drive access again. It's a simple few steps, and once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. And there you have it. You've successfully mounted Google Drive to Google Colab, making it easy to work with your files seamlessly. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with Google Colab.